When homeowners hear the term foundation jacks, they often picture something temporary, maybe like the jack you use to lift a car. But foundation jacks are much more than that. They're one of the most effective tools we use to stabilize and support homes that are experiencing settlement or structural movement. So today, let's talk about what foundation jacks are, how they work, and when they might be the right solution for your home. The first thing to understand is why homes settle in the first place. Your foundation sits on soil, and that soil is constantly changing. As moisture levels rise and fall, soil expands and contracts and shifts. Some soils drain quickly. Others, like clay, hold water and swell when they're wet, then shrink as they dry. Over time, these changes can cause parts of the foundation to settle unevenly. That's when homeowners may begin noticing cracks in their walls, doors that won't close properly, windows that stick, or floors that start to slope. Those are all signs that the foundation may no longer be fully supported. That's where foundation jacks come in. Foundation jacks are designed to lift, support, and stabilize portions of the home that have settled. They use either hydraulic pressure or mechanical force to carefully raise the structure and help restore proper support. You can think of them as part of a larger structural repair system. They're designed to safely transfer the weight of the home to where it's supposed to be. Now, every foundation jack has a few basic components. There's a stable base that distributes the weight, a lifting mechanism that does the actual work, and an adjustable support system that allows technicians to make precise corrections during the repair. The goal isn't simply lifting the home. The goal is lifting it carefully, evenly, and only as much as the structure safely allows. There are several different types of foundation jacks depending on the repair. Hydraulic jacks are commonly used when significant lifting is required because they generate tremendous lifting power while allowing for precise control. Screw jacks are another option. They use threaded mechanical adjustment instead of hydraulic pressure and are often used for smaller or more gradual corrections. In some situations, foundation jacks are used alongside pier systems. Once steel piers are installed into stable soil beneath the home, hydraulic jacks are used to carefully lift the structure before the load is permanently transferred onto the piers. That's how many settled foundations are permanently stabilized. One thing homeowners don't always realize is that lifting a home isn't something that happens all at once. The process is very controlled. It begins with a detailed inspection to determine exactly where movement has occurred and what's causing it. From there, a repair plan is developed specifically for the home's foundation, soil conditions, and structural needs. Once the work begins, the repair area is prepared and the jacks are positioned at carefully selected locations beneath the structure. The home is then lifted gradually, sometimes over several hours, sometimes over multiple days. Throughout the entire process, measurements are constantly monitored to make sure everything is lifting evenly without placing unnecessary stress on the structure. Once the desired elevation is reached, permanent supports are installed to maintain the new position. After everything is secured, the work area is restored and the repair is complete. Now, you may be wondering, can I just rent foundation jacks and do this myself? And the answer is, this really isn't a DIY project. Foundation repairs involve thousands of pounds of structural load. Improper lifting can cause additional cracking, structural damage, or even create serious safety hazards. That's why professional evaluation, proper engineering, and specialized equipment are so important. Every home is different, every soil condition is different, and every repair plan has to be customized for that specific property. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't just install foundation jacks. We first determine why the home settled in the first place. Is it expansive clay soil, poor drainage, water intrusion, soil erosion, or long-term settlement? Because solving the underlying cause is what creates long-lasting repairs. The good news is that modern foundation repair systems can successfully stabilize many homes and help prevent future settlement from causing additional damage. If you've noticed cracks in your walls, uneven floors, sticking doors, or other signs that your home may be settling, it's a good idea to have your foundation professionally evaluated. At Dalinghaus Construction, we help homeowners throughout Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada identify foundation problems early and recommend the right repair solution for each unique home. If you have questions about foundation settlement or foundation jacks, contact us today for a free inspection. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.